Okay, welcome everyone. So in this lecture we are going to learn how to control our microcontroller. In this case we have taken Atmega 328P. Okay, today we will be learning how to control the digital pin, means how to make a digital pin high and low. Okay, so this will be very useful because we can connect some relay with the digital pin, and the relay contact can be used for controlling our light, fan and other home appliance. So this we will be controlling through our Android app. We have created one Android app, and using that we will be controlling that microcontroller digital pin. We will learn today only for digital pin control. So the code is very simple. The code is very simple as in my Python series, whatever the code, the same code is here, but again I am showing the code slowly so that it can be written. So this is the first part. This is the second part of the code. So here we will be using, we have connected some LED with pin number 2, 4, 7, 8, 12 and 13. So we will be controlling that LEDs only. Okay, so this is the second part, and this is the third part. And this is the last remaining part. Now I am coming to the Android part. So here we have used MIT App Inventor. So there it will be, you see, this how to make this in detail, that I will tell you later because it is very simple. So here you see, this is the app. When it will be when it will be run in our phone, it will be looks like this. The first one, the first horizontal section is some images. So those are the students are working with me to develop this kind of things. So then there is a text, and this is a list picker to connect with the Bluetooth module, and these are the buttons. Okay, so from the designer view, if you go to the block, because this is very user friendly app inventor through which we can make the app without writing the code. Okay, so as I told, this I have taken that list picker. Before picking it will show all the devices in the range, and when it is after picking, so it will connect with the selected Bluetooth device, and it will tell yes, I am connected. It will be visible this text. Okay, then in the button, once the button 1 is clicked, so through the Bluetooth client it will send 13,001, and as you seen in the code, if 13,001 is received by the controller, then pin number 13 will be high. Similarly, when the button 2 is pressed, it will be sending 13,000. That means the pin number 13 will become low. Similarly, it is made for pin number 2. For that case, 2001 and 2000. Then pin number 4, it is 4001 and 4000. Then pin number 7, it is 7001 and 7000. Then pin number 8, it is 8001 and 8000. Then pin number 12, it is 12001 and 12000. Okay, so slowly I have shown this. It is very simple. Okay, now once this is there, then if you click build, and here you click, then this will generate the APK file. It will take some time. It is generating. Till that I will pause the video. You see, it will, after once everything is that APK file generation is completed, so it will come here as a QR code, and by clicking here you can run the you can download the APK file directly. Now I am coming to the connection with microcontroller. So Vishwa, can you share the image of HC05? You see, this is the HC05 module. One thing only it is to be taken care. The RX pin of the Bluetooth module should be connected with the TX pin of the controller, and the TX pin and the TX pin of the Bluetooth module should be connected with the RX pin of the microcontroller, and you connect VCC with the 5 volt and ground VCC with the 5 volt and ground with the ground of the controller. Okay, so this is the connection, and you see here is the actual picture. This is the actual picture how it was connected. Now I will ask Vishwa to share your phone screen. So I will tell you sequentially how to connect. So this is the phone screen. Now you go to the Bluetooth, turn on the Bluetooth, and you see this is the he is turning on the Bluetooth, and these are the devices under range, within the range. Now you connect HC05, and it is successfully connected. Now you see this is the app. No, go back, just close this app. You see here, this is the app. Once that, after downloading the APK file, if you install, so this is the app, and if you now click on the app, you see the same interface came. Now you have to connect. Click to connect IoT. Click on that. You see, after clicking the device, which one is that? Just to connect it, you select that. Yeah, this is the HC05. It is selected, and you see now the message is coming. Yes, Aratrika Vishwa as Abhinav, I am connected. Now, if you press the pin 13 on, and you look here, in this here. Okay, now click. Pin 13.1, you click. Is it working?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I have clicked, sir.
Okay, but it is not visible actually. Can you show the controller that on off?
Visible now, sir.
No.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay, now you see, now this is the microcontroller view, and this is your Android view. So now just press pin 13 on. It is Vishwa, again it is hanged, means we are not able to see that change. Okay, now we will see. Now you just on the pin 13. Is it on now?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But here I think it is my problem. Okay, it is, I am not able to show that, but it will be, you see, if you hit pin 13 on, then pin that particular LED will be on, and if you hit 13 off, it will be off. So this is the way to control a digital pin for a microcontroller using Android application. Okay, so thank you so much for your patience and watching it. Thank you so much.